In today's video, I'm going to teach you Venmo account recovery, full guide 2025. If you're locked out of your Venmo account or need help getting back in, we'll walk through the official ways to reach Venmo support and what to expect so you can recover your account quickly and safely. We're keeping this simple and secure using only the trusted Venmo Help Center. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Venmo support. From the results, head to the Venmo Help Center and open the Contact Us page. This is the official support hub where you can choose how you want to get help. On that page, look for a section labeled Connect with Support. That's where you'll see your options to message or call. First up, messaging. You can send a message to Venmo support directly from the Contact Us page. If you prefer to use the app, Venmo's in-app messaging is available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time. In the app, go to Get Help, then tap Chat with Us. This connects you with a support agent who can guide you through account recovery. Keep your explanation clear and brief. Describe what happened, any error messages you've seen, and whether you've changed devices recently. If support needs to verify your identity, follow their instructions carefully and only provide information through the official support chat. If you'd rather speak to someone, you can also call Venmo support. Phone support is available every day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time. Use the phone option listed on the Contact Us page so you know you're reaching the real team. When you call, be ready to summarize the issue, such as I can't log in, my account is locked, or I need help recovering my account. The agent will explain the next steps and may guide you through verification. For your security, never share passwords or one-time codes with anyone and only follow instructions provided directly by the official Venmo channels. When you're connected, whether by chat or phone, tell them you need help with account recovery. Mention any relevant details like the last time you could access your account and the device you're using. Staying calm, answering verification questions promptly, and keeping your device handy will help move things along. That's it. Use the Contact Us page, choose message or call, follow the posted hours, and clearly explain your account recovery concern. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into your Venmo account smoothly.